How to log in or sign up on Bybit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily log in or sign up for a Bybit account. Well, first things first, you can do it on bybit.com in your browser, or you can do it using the application. You can get the application easily on your Play Store or App Store. So once you download and install it on your device, you want to open it up. If you are not logged in, then you'll get this page right here. Here you can see the sign up or login page. Now if I tap on it, the screen will go blank due to security reasons, so I'll just be guiding you through. I'll just show you here real quick. However, if you tap on sign up or login, this page will load up where it'll ask you to either sign up using email or mobile number. Now you can easily use your Google account or your Apple account to log in as well, or what you can do is you can manually enter in your email account and set up the password and log in, or you can tap on mobile number, you can enter in your mobile number and you can go ahead and sign up or log in. So now you want to enter it there, you want to create a password, your mobile number, create a new password, then tap on sign up option that will get on the screen and you'll be able to sign up. Once you're signed up, you can enter in your credentials and log in easily. So this is the way that you can log in or sign up on Bybit. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.